So friends, what is happening now? It started with the black fungus, then it went to the white fungus, and now it is going to the yellow fungus. So first of all, I will request God to stop all these things, stop this menace, because I have heard, once I heard this shall too pass, but it is not passing. This time is not going off. So let's talk about this thing also. What are the reasons for this? Fungus can be asked in your prelims examination. We all always try to take that into consideration, what can be asked in the examination. So if we take fungus, what is a fungus? It actually belongs to the family of eukaryotes. It belongs to the eukaryotic family, and you should also have learned about the eukaryotic versus the prokaryotic. Eukaryotic matlab ki those organisms which have their nucleus contained in a nuclear shell, and they are larger in size, they have proper well developed nucleus. And the other category is prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are not that developed. Okay, so this is the basic difference in the nucleus, and they are more developed. Eukaryotes are more developed. So fungus basically belong to the category of eukaryotics, and examples are molds and all. Molds is a famous example of the fungus. Now why this black fungus, white fungus and all happen? There are many reasons for that. First one is the your sanitary condition. If you are living in a unhygienic condition or non-sanitary condition, unsanitary condition, then this can happen to you. Second is excessive use of steroids. Now why many patients are getting this black fungus or white fungus is the reason because they are given steroids for their treatment. Many of the patients are given steroids for their treatment, so this can be one of the reason. Now how will you understand that you are going through some fungal infections or not? So first of all, you will have your basic metabolism disturbed. Your basic metabolism will disturb. Your eyes will feel heavy. Your stomach will start creating problems and all. You will feel little bit anxiety. These are some of the, and you will feel lethargic also. So these are the some basic symptoms through which you can just go for a checkup regarding this, whether you have this fungal infection or not. So my recommendation to you is that those who have a habit of taking medicines on their own, that is not from the prescribed doctors and all, please stop taking that. This is my first suggestion. Second thing is that please have proper sanitary conditions, use proper sanitation, take bath regularly, and do all these things regularly. Okay? Then only you can save yourself from that. So that will be one of my suggestions. Keep your sanitary condition good, and those who don't need medication, don't take medication for fun. Don't pretend that you are a doctor. You are not a doctor. So some people have a habit of becoming doctor, so don't try to become that. This is my personal suggestion. So this was about the fungal infections and all. We had 3, and I hope no more cases of that will occur anymore. But in India the cases are more because of 2 reasons. First, since COVID cases are more in India, and they have been given treatment like steroids. Many people are given different types of medications. People are taking medications on their own. Someone is taking hydroxychloroquine, someone is taking your Feviflu, someone is taking remdesivir injections and all. So many people are taking on their own, just reading in the WhatsApp, and they start taking the medication. So you have to avoid that habit, and don't take steroids without any recommendation. This is my first suggestion. And second thing is that keep your conditions sanitary. Keep cleanliness around yourself. Keep your room clean. Have proper bath daily and all. So these things can save you from that. So this is my suggestion. And remember that fungus are from the eukaryotic category. ठीक है ना? Eukaryotes and prokaryotes का difference आप पढ़ लीजिएगा. Please do tell me in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.